this video, I am going to continue working on some organization in our kitchen. I'm starting off with putting together this spice rack. We currently have all of our spices in our pantry, which is another area that I still need to organize. I'm not even going to show you in this video, but it's pretty messy, and I wanted to start off with at least moving out the spices and putting them into the cabinet that is right next to our stove. I thought maybe that might make a little bit more sense to move those there, but I also didn't want to just shove them in a cabinet. I wanted it to look nice, since I'm organizing, just look a little more aesthetically pleasing as well. And so I searched around for a specific spice rack, and this is the one that I found. I'll go ahead and link everything in the description. And here is what it looks like now that it's all put together. The size was perfect for my cabinet, and I also purchased some of these spice jars which match the spice rack perfectly. The one that I chose was the larger set. They do have one that comes with less jars, so if you don't have as many spices, there's also those options available. And the other thing that I did like about these is it came with a lot of labels to choose from as well. Also, for some of those spices that maybe you don't have a label for, they do provide a marker that you can just fill in yourself, and you have different shapes of stickers that you can choose from. With the round ones, you can either put them on top of the lid or in the front. I chose to go with round and place them in the front of the jar. I did clean up one of the jars just to show that it does also come with this funnel cone that helps put in the seasonings a little bit easier, and the rest I did off camera, and I'll go ahead and show you what the after looks like here in just a bit. Absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Moving on to a couple days later, I am going to start by making me a cup of coffee before I start tackling a couple of drawers and we start doing some more organizing. Okay, so the first drawer that I'm starting off with is our utensil drawer, and I'm just going to replace this plastic organizer with this wooden organizer. This specific organizer that I got is from Home Goods, but there are plenty that you can get either at Walmart or Amazon. If I find a similar one, I will go ahead and link it in the description for you. drawer that I'm working on is our cooking utensils. Now it is already organized. I did do this in a previous video. I'm just going to change out the plastic bins and replace with these wooden dividers. But before I do that, I'll be laying down this liner. Alright, so now that was all done, I wanted to show you a cabinet here that I previously showed you in one of my videos. This one still looks the same, so that's already organized, just kept our mason jars there with a few of our Tupperware. And here's another cabinet that I also showed in a previous video where we have our caraway pots and pans. Moving on to another drawer is where we keep our foil, sandwich bags, just things like that. So I'm going to just remove everything, give it a little good wipe down, and then place a wooden divider in here. Last drawer I'll be organizing is this one that's right next to our stove. The only thing that we keep here is our oven mitts, pot holders, and kitchen towels. I'm just trying to figure out exactly what side I want these towels to be on and seeing if the oven mitts will fit on either side as well. I am on the hunt for a new oven mitt, so I will be replacing that with more of a maybe brown or beige color and donating these gray ones. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. Hopefully you guys got inspired to maybe organize an area in your home as well. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.